Okay, so let's have a look at what Lemlist does. So it's an AI sales engagement platform for precision outbound. So you have a 14 days free trial, and you can either take calls, send email, send WhatsApp, or send LinkedIn messages. So if you scroll down right here, it says you can find enrich and reach qualified leads from one platform. So it's all-in-one. You can personalize at scale with AI. You can run sequences on multiple channels, and you don't land on the spam folder. If we have a look at pricing, monthly pricing, so it's $79 per user per month. You get 3 email senders. You do not get any LinkedIn senders here, so you can only do email outreach at $79. And if you want to do multi-channel, it's $109 per user per month. So you get 200 free enrichment credits, unlimited email follow-ups. You have a lead database, AI-powered personalization, CRM integration, deliverability. If you scroll down, you see that you need add-on if you want to make more out of Lemlist. So to get email and phone numbers, you can pay $10 to get email credits and phone number credits. You can pay per signal to get so company visited web, hiring and job changes, company fundraised, and LinkedIn engagement. If you want to do multi-channel engagement, you have to pay for WhatsApp, you have to pay to add a number per month, you have to pay to add clap, and you also need to pay if you want the deliverability setup. So it looks very promising, but there are lots of add-ons that you need. So if you want to do LinkedIn outreach, you have to go with the $109 per user per month, which can get quite expensive if you have a huge team. So LinkedIn automation is here. If we have a look at the yearly plan, you can get it for $87 per user per month. So if we have a look here, we can see some results. We can see that they are for sales rep, sales leaders, RevOps, and founders. So it's a great platform. The only problem here is that if you want to do LinkedIn outreach, well, you have to pay $109 and you only get one sender. So if you want to use 2 senders plus intent signals, that's going to be more than $200. And then you'll have to add intent signals, because without intent signals, well, your LinkedIn outreach is not going to be really successful. So that's actually the main issue here. Let me show you an alternative. So here is GojiberryAI. It helps you find and contact high intent leads with AI. It's LinkedIn focused, which means here you can only do LinkedIn, but you can do it way cheaper and more efficiently. So if we have a look at pricing right here, for $99 per month, you get 2 LinkedIn senders and you get intent signals included. So what is Gojiberry? It helps you find and contact high intent leads. You run your agent 24/7 and you find the best leads on the market. First, you sign up, then you pick up the signals you want to track, then you launch your outreach. So let me show you how it works. Every day, Gojiberry finds you the best leads right here. They all match your ideal customer. For each lead, we track intent signals, so you can track people who engage with industry experts, people who engage with keywords, people who engage with your competitors. If you click here, you can generate email for all these leads. You can generate AI personalized messages that you can use in your outreach sequences in one click. So to get the right leads, you go to Signal Agents. You launch an agent right here. You define your ideal customer. You define the intent signals you want to track. So either if you want to track people who engage with your LinkedIn page, your LinkedIn profile, people who visited your profile, people who've just followed your page. You can track people who engage with specific keywords and topics, people who engage with specific LinkedIn profiles, people who are the most active in your niche, people from companies that fundraised, people who have just been hired, and people from people who interact with certain companies or competitors. Once this is done, every day you get new leads found by your AI agent, and then you can launch campaigns directly on Gojiberry right here. So if you go to campaign right there, start a campaign and create it with AI, in one click, you will have your LinkedIn campaign. So if you want to do multi-channel outreach, Lemlist is probably the best option. But if you want to be focused on LinkedIn with high intent without paying for credits, well, Gojiberry is a better option because you can have 2 accounts for $99 with intent signals included, which is going to cost you a lot of money on Lemlist. If we have a look here, 1 credit is 1 cent. And so if you want to see which company fundraised, that's 100 credits per dollar. So that's $1 per credit, $1 per signal. And on Gojiberry, we sometimes find you 100 signals like this per day, which means you would be paying thousands of dollars if you were using Lemlist instead of Gojiberry. So again, if you want to do LinkedIn outreach, high intent LinkedIn outreach, Gojiberry is probably the best option on the market. So you can sign up 7 days for free just below, and I hope to see you soon on Gojiberry. Goodbye.